Well, the girls and I are out here in the back this afternoon. We've had a very interesting day of thunder showers and rolling thunder, and it was enjoyable. I haven't had that in, God, decades. So it was really neat to finally have it happen. Just rolling thunder from early this morning before daybreak, off and on, and then some heavy rains, and everything's fresh and clean. And then it's going to jump back up to the high 70s, low 80s. So that got me thinking this month is almost shot, and I don't know how many weeks I have left with this waiting on the cancer thing, the biopsy and the meeting with the surgeon and then the meeting with the other doctor to explain all this shit to me, the blood tests and the biopsies they're going to have. And I just want it to get done because I want to start doing things next month into the fall. So I've been sketching out some plans for some state parks and some 1 to 4 day road trips to various harvest hosts here in Western Washington and Eastern Washington. Now, I know a lot of people don't like wineries, but so you don't drink wine, but they're still fun to go and stay. You can do the wine tasting if you don't want to buy a bottle. Some of them have, a lot of them are having, full meals that they prepare for you, homemade, handmade pizza, all kinds of things, hamburgers. If you don't like wine, you don't have to drink wine. So don't cut it out just because you're not a wine drinker. I'll be going to some breweries too, cider breweries and such, but I just need to get out. Plus it'll give me time to test the dogs in the RV on short trips within the radius of where we live here in Washington State. So, let me show you. The dogs are having a great time out here. They're playing like wild animals. Angel's doing a lot better. She's bringing back her toys and dropping them in my hand, just like I trained. Where'd she go? Oh, she heard somebody, so she's got to go check the front yard. But Angel's doing really well. She's just a ball of fur. And we went and got her shots today, and I got her that Banff Hospital Vet wellness program for the first year, and that's great. You lay out one lump sum, and then you can go in and see the doc as many times as you want, and all the shots and all that stuff. And it's great. It's great because the doctor's appointment for the dogs is about as much as going for me to go see a doc. $150, $200. It's frickin' expensive. Everything's expensive nowadays. I can't believe I grew up in a time when doctors actually had those little black cases and they'd come to your house and see you there. You didn't have to go miles and travel downtown or wherever the hell they were at. So yeah, she's got that green thing had arms, but they pulled those out. Now they're playing with the arms separately like they're green worms. But yeah, this is great. So yeah, this is nice. I don't mind it 1 or 2 days of thunder showers or rain because I haven't seen that or had that happen in I can't remember when. I think it was before I retired, at least, maybe longer. But it was a good cleansing rain, which is fine with me. So I don't know what these girls are doing, but yeah, I just wanted to put this little short one out. The plan is next week I'm going to put the dogs in the RV, and we're going to go explore some state parks in the area because I want to case them out for which campsites in the different parks are good for my setup, my RV setup, and can I back in and have the door open to the campsite and not have monstrous boulders or huge logs, dividing the parking strip or the parking space from the camp space. So that's what we'll be doing here soon. So yeah, I'm anxious. If it wasn't for all this darn cancer crap and all the things they want to do to me, I'd be doing something already. But I just want to get going into something, then have them say, oh God, you got to go here for this test, you got to go over here for this operation, then we're going to do this to you over here. I feel like a rubber ball being kicked around by the doctors. What? Uh-oh, someone's talking to me. What do you want? I'm over here, silly. Spirit, what are you doing? Yeah. Let's see. Look who's here. Are you staring down your toy? You just waiting for me to kick it. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! There, she's off. She is fast. She is really fast. Okay, ready? Okay. Well, oh gosh, yeah, it's time for me to shut up. I'm looking at the timer on this thing. Okay, well, that's just a quick little catch-up and introduction of what my plans are for the end of summer now and into fall. So the next one, I still plan on having it being a little drive-through and tour of 2 of the state parks out here where I'm living in the foothills of the Cascades, as they say. And then hopefully we'll get through all this cancer crap and they'll cut me open and do their biopsy of my chest or whatever they got going on in their heads and get that done. So come August, hopefully I can actually put together my 1-day or up to 4-day road trips to different harvest hosts and state parks. So thanks for hanging in there with us. Okay, well that's it. You ready to say bye-bye, Angel? Where's your toy? Okay, ready? We're gonna kick that toy. Kick that toy. Ready? Go! And it's gone. Okay, well, for the girls and I, thank you very much for watching and take care.